Are you interested in working in Sweden, but do not yet have a job offer? You may be eligible for a job seeker visa. The Swedish Job Seeker Visa is an excellent opportunity for individuals who want to explore the job market in Sweden. This visa allows non-EU citizens to stay in Sweden for 6 months while they search for employment or start their own business. Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process of applying for the Swedish Job Seeker Visa. We will also discuss the eligibility requirements, benefits, and tips for a successful application. Sweden is a country located in Northern Europe, known for its stunning natural landscapes, innovative industries, and high standard of living. The country's social welfare system is one of the most comprehensive in the world, providing a range of benefits and services to all citizens and residents. These benefits include healthcare, education, housing, and social assistance. What is a Swedish Job Seeker Visa? The Swedish Job Seeker Visa is a temporary residence permit that allows individuals from outside the European Union to stay in Sweden for 6 months while they search for employment. This visa is designed to attract skilled workers to Sweden and help reduce the country's skills shortage. To apply for a Swedish Job Seeker Visa, there are specific eligibility criteria that must be met. Firstly, the applicant must have a valid passport. You must have a university degree from a recognized university or higher education institution or at least 5 years of professional experience in your field. You must have health insurance that is valid for care in Sweden. Sufficient funds to support yourself during your stay in Sweden. The benefits of applying for the Swedish Job Seeker Visa include the opportunity to explore the Swedish job market, network with potential employers, and gain valuable work experience in a foreign country. How to apply for the Swedish Job Seeker Visa? To apply for the Swedish Job Seeker Visa, there are several steps you need to follow. First, gather all the required documents. The required documents for a Swedish Job Seeker Visa application vary depending on the applicant's nationality. However, some common documents that must be provided include a valid passport, proof of financial support, proof of education or qualifications, and health insurance. Download the application form from the Swedish migration website and fill in the form. You will provide your personal information, passport details, contact details, and other information. Most applications will be subject to a fee, so be ready to pay an application fee. Once you have all your required documents, you can then proceed to submit your application at a Swedish embassy or consulate. The application can also be submitted online. If you choose to apply online, you must have digital copies of all the required documents such as your passport, certificates, bank statement, health insurance, and a credit card or debit card ready to pay any fee for the application. The Swedish Migration Agency decides regarding your case once you have submitted your application for a residence permit. A minimum of 3 months and a maximum of 9 months may be granted for the permit. Tips for a successful work visa application in Sweden. To increase your chances of a successful work visa application in Sweden, consider the following tips. 1. Start the application process well in advance to allow for ample processing time. 2. Make sure you have all the required documents and that they are in order. 3. Be honest in your application and provide accurate information. 4. Be prepared to provide additional information or documents if requested. 5. Follow up with the embassy or consulate if you have not heard back after the estimated processing time. If you get a job in Sweden, you can apply for a work permit from within Sweden if you secure employment there while you have a valid job seeker visa. You are not permitted to work before applying for the new permit. You can begin working as soon as you've applied for a work permit, and the Swedish Migration Agency is reviewing your new application. You must only work for the employer and in the profession for which you have applied for a work permit. Once you have secured your work permit, you can then apply for your family to join you in Sweden. After working for 4 years, you will be eligible to apply for Swedish permanent residency, and then apply for your citizenship after 5 years of living in Sweden. You will be granted a European passport. What are you waiting for? This is a great opportunity to travel to another country without a valid job offer. Gather your documents and apply today. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Good luck.